Woodworking is an art that requires precision and skill, and having the right tools is essential to creating beautiful pieces. Among these tools, hand saws are an essential component of any woodworker's arsenal. Hey everyone! In this video, we will look at the 5 best hand saws available on the market today. These cutting-edge saws are designed to provide maximum precision, efficiency, and comfort, making them ideal for both amateur and professional woodworkers. We have compiled this list based on performance, safety, and price. If you want more product information, I have included links in the description box below. Like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. At number 1 is the Rexpedit 11-inch folding saw. When it comes to tackling wood sheets, branches, PVC pipes, and various other cutting tasks, having a reliable and efficient tool by your side is crucial. This 11-inch folding saw is crafted with precision and durability in mind. Engineered with a host of impressive features, this versatile cutting companion is set to revolutionize your camping, survival, bushcraft, landscaping, and general yard work experiences. One of the standout features of this folding saw is its 11-inch extra-long blade made from durable SK5 steel. This heavy-duty, rugged blade effortlessly powers through thick branches, allowing you to tackle tasks faster and more efficiently. Its ideal cutting range of 6 to 7-inch diameter branches ensures that no obstacle stands in your way. The aggressive triple-cut teeth design with a staggering 7 TPI ensures ultra-smooth and sharp sawing. No matter the material or thickness, this saw slices through with ease, delivering precise cuts every time. The safety metal lock adds an extra layer of security, keeping the blade locked in 2 positions for added stability and control. Comfort is paramount during long hours of work, and the non-slip extra-long rubbery handle provides just that. Its ergonomic design and rubber coating guarantee a firm grip even in challenging weather conditions. The extended length of the handle allows for improved leverage, making your cutting experience more efficient and comfortable. Designed for portability and convenience, this folding saw features an extra-long design that easily folds down for compact storage and transport. Whether you're embarking on a camping trip or tackling a backyard project, this folding saw is a trusty companion that won't take up much space. From camping enthusiasts to landscaping professionals, this 11-inch folding saw is the ultimate cutting tool that combines durability, precision, and efficiency. At number 2 on the list is the FloraGuard 7.7-inch folding hand saw. With an exquisite appearance and a blade designed for smoothness, the 7.7-inch folding hand saw is a must-have tool for any cutting task. Whether you are dealing with large or small branches, this saw delivers sharp, smooth, and fast cutting, making it an essential companion for gardening, landscaping, and more. Crafted from high-carbon steel, the 7-inch razor-tooth blade effortlessly cuts through branches up to 4 inches in diameter. Its triple-cut razor teeth are hardened to stay sharp, ensuring smooth and rapid sawing with each stroke. No matter the thickness or toughness of the wood, this hand saw tackles the task with ease. The ergonomic and comfortable handle is designed to fit naturally in your hand, providing a secure grip and preventing accidental drops. Its stability during strong pulls guarantees accurate cuts, making it suitable for hands of all sizes, from small to extra large. The handle's thoughtful design ensures both safety and comfort throughout your cutting task. Durability is key when it comes to hand saws, and the fully hardened stainless steel 7.7-inch blade delivers just that. Whetstone ground razor teeth sharpened on 3 sides combined with impulse hardening provide a longer life for the saw. This ensures that your cutting tool remains effective and reliable, even after extended use. Ease of use and safety is paramount, and this folding hand saw features a convenient lock mechanism. This keeps the blade firmly in place during use, preventing accidents such as the saw blade falling or gripping unexpectedly. Additionally, the lock ensures safe storage when the saw is not in use, providing peace of mind for gardeners and users alike. Unleash the power of precision with this versatile 7.7-inch folding hand saw. Its sharp blade, ergonomic handle, and secure locking mechanism make it the ideal tool for gardeners, landscapers, and outdoor enthusiasts. Let this cutting companion elevate your cutting experience, delivering smooth, accurate cuts and making your tasks a breeze. At number 3 on our list is the Carry 9.5-inch hand saw. When it comes to woodworking, having the right tools by your side is essential for achieving precise and efficient results. This 9.5-inch hand saw is a true game-changer in the world of cutting. With its unique features and exceptional performance, this saw is a gift to both men and women who value craftsmanship. One of the standout features of this hand saw is its ability to tackle different types of cuts. The rougher side, equipped with 10 TPI, allows for quick and efficient rip cuts. When speed is of the essence, the side of the blade enables you to power through your work faster, without compromising quality. On the other hand, the denser side with 17 TPI is perfect for precise cross cuts. This side ensures meticulous attention to detail, making it ideal for projects that require a higher level of precision. The 9.5-inch length of this pole saw provides a larger working area compared to its 6-inch counterparts. With a broader reach, you can tackle a wider range of tasks and explore more possibilities in your woodworking projects. In addition, the principles of physics come into play as this longer saw requires at least 50% less force, making your cutting experience easier and more efficient. Durability is a top priority, and the materials used in the construction of this hand saw exemplify this. The blade is crafted from SK5 high-carbon steel, known for its hardness and wear resistance. This ensures that the blade remains sharp and effective even after prolonged use. The handle, made from beech and rattan, not only provides a light and ergonomic grip, but also enhances the overall durability of the saw. Woodworking professionals understand the importance of sharp teeth, and this hand saw doesn't disappoint. Its three-sided grinding teeth are not only sharper, but also more wear-resistant, resulting in a longer lifespan. The denser side teeth are specially quenched to ensure hardness, further enhancing their cutting efficiency. Unlock versatility and efficiency with the 9.5-inch hand saw. Whether you're a seasoned craftsman or a woodworking enthusiast, this tool will exceed your expectations. From quick grip cuts to detailed cross cuts, its dual-sided design caters to a wide range of needs. Embrace the power of precision and efficiency, and let this hand saw become your trusted companion in all your woodworking adventures. At number 4 is the Kata 10-inch hand saw. With its excellent design, wide range of applications, and ergonomic features, this hand saw is a must-have tool for all your cutting needs. The lightweight yet sturdy aluminum alloy frame of this hacksaw ensures easy handling and durability. Its ergonomic double-injection anti-slip grip provides a comfortable and secure hold, allowing for smooth and controlled operation. The screw mechanism allows for easy blade replacement, providing convenience and versatility. When it comes to cutting in tight and hard-to-reach spaces, this close-quarter hacksaw excels. Its compact design makes it the perfect tool for navigating confined areas with precision. Whether you're working on wood, PVC, plasterboard, metal sheet, or foam, this mini cutter is up to the task, making it a versatile tool for a wide range of applications. Featuring a 10-inch bimetal high-speed steel blade, this mini hand saw delivers excellent cutting performance. The package includes 3 blades, allowing for continuous use or easy replacements. The ergonomic rubber grip handle ensures a comfortable grip, while the dual-action blade lock guarantees safe and secure usage. The adjustable frame accepts both 10-inch and 12-inch blades, offering flexibility for different cutting depths and requirements. With full specifications that include a 2.5-inch cut depth and an overall length of 11.5 inches, this compact hand-operated mini hacksaw packs a punch in a small package. Its portability and versatility make it an ideal tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Unlock precision and versatility with this compact 10-inch hand saw. Its lightweight yet sturdy design, convenient blade replacement mechanism, and wide range of applications make it an essential tool for any craftsman. Embrace the power of precision and efficiency, and let this mini hacksaw become your go-to tool for all your cutting projects. At number 5 on the list is the Profar 14-inch hand saw for wood. This 14-inch hand saw is a game-changing tool that combines fine cutting performance with durability. With its versatile applications and ergonomic design, this hand saw is a must-have for woodworkers, carpenters, and DIY enthusiasts. Equipped with 3 ground teeth and an 11 TPI blade, this hand saw surpasses traditional saws in terms of performance. The fine-tooth design enables quick and precise cutting, ensuring higher efficiency and superior quality work. Whether you're working on delicate woodworking projects or need to make accurate cuts, this hand saw delivers exceptional results. Durability is a top priority, and the 0.04-inch thick high-carbon steel blade of this hand saw provides long-lasting sharpness and durability. The induction-hardened teeth and upgraded manufacturing technique further enhance the blade's strength and resistance to wear. This ensures that this saw remains sharp and reliable even after prolonged use. While woodworking is the primary focus, this hand saw offers versatility for various cutting tasks. It is equally adept at cutting plastic, PVC pipes, plywood, wallboard, and more. Whether you're a woodworker, carpenter, arborist, gardener, home decorator, or DIYer, this multifunction saw is a valuable addition to your toolbox. Ergonomics plays a crucial role in the design of this hand saw. The anti-slip thermoplastic elastomer's soft grip handle provides a secure and comfortable hold, reducing the risk of slipping during prolonged work sessions. The handle size is suitable for hands of all sizes, from small to extra large, and is designed to alleviate hand fatigue during use. Additionally, both sides of the handle feature a 45 degrees and 90 degrees auxiliary angle, providing angling assistance for precise cutting. With a 350 millimeters long blade, this handsaw can meet the demands of your daily basic woodworking tasks. Its compact size allows for easy storage and portability, making it a reliable work partner that can accompany you anywhere. Efficiency, durability, versatility, and ergonomic design. These are the hallmarks of this 14-inch handsaw for wood. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, this handsaw delivers exceptional performance. Unlock the potential of precision and efficiency, and make this highly recommended tool a staple in your toolbox. So, that's all about the 5 best handsaws this year. If you think we have left valuable handsaws, please leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe.